This is CryptoCoin Investor. In this video, I'm going to show you the reason why the Bitcoin is hovering at around $80,000, and despite that, the money is still not flowing into altcoins. I mean, yes, they are up in USD value, but in comparison to Bitcoin, it's really, the situation is not looking good. You can look at the Litecoin pair, like LTC BTC pair, Dash BTC pair, the Ripple BTC pair. I mean, things are looking very bad, but during these times, it's a golden opportunity. Then during these times, you make huge investments because nobody's buying and everybody's selling. There's the weekly chart of Ripple Bitcoin fetched from the Poloniex exchange, and in previous videos, I have been accumulating a Ripple and other coins in this range, and we broke out of this range, unfortunately, to the downside. I'm still holding my Ripple though, because we are very near to the bottom, and we are now making double bottom on the RSI on the weekly, which is very important. I mean, these are bottom indicators. The MACD is still looking bearish, but I think we will flip to the green side in the coming weeks or so. And let's take a look at some other coins real quick. Stellar Lumens is also on the oversold side on the weekly. Again, not performing as I wanted it to, but hey, this is because the Bitcoin dominance. So I wanted to cover this. So the Bitcoin dominance means the percentage of Bitcoin capitalization in the total market cap. So right now, Bitcoin dominance is at around 67%, and I had earlier thought that 63 and 65% Bitcoin dominance is when Bitcoin will reach its top and the money will start flowing into altcoin. Unfortunately, that did not happen, and that is why you need to have a stop loss. So I think we are very near to to a huge altcoin season, because people have started feeling that altcoin season is never going to happen. Just like we all thought that the Bitcoin will reach its top at around 12,000, then it will reach its top at around 14,000, and now it is at 18,000, and people think that Bitcoin will keep making new highs every week or every day or so. That's not going to happen, because the RSI now shows that we are now entering the overbought stage. So we are very near to the top, and this is further confirmed when you look at the monthly chart. So there is very heavy resistance at this very level, and you can already see that we have been rejected at this level, which is at around 67.55. So I think that's the bottom, because that's the bottom for all coins, and that's the top for Bitcoin dominance. And I'm pretty sure that hopefully in a couple of weeks the tables will turn around and all coins will make massive rallies in the month of December. And I think the best time to accumulate would be end of November. So keep an eye on altcoins. I mean, they are definitely not dead, and some altcoins like Litecoin and Ripple made some good gains in the past few days or so. Dash also did pretty well, but I think it has lost most of its gains, I would say. So this is Dash, and on 12th of November it made pretty good gains, but it has lost. We're back to square one after 7 days of rally. So it has lost all of its gains in terms of sats. Let's see, Ethereum Classic is not pumping because apparently nobody holds it, so it's easier for the the whales to pump coins like these. Same goes for Stellar Lumens. The buy and sell volume on top exchanges like Binance is absolutely terrible, but this also is a good news because the sellers are out of steam. They probably sold all of their altcoins. So yeah, most of these coins are forming, they are showing bottoming patterns on the daily, monthly, and weekly. So the pumps on these coins are going to be huge, and I still believe the Stellar Lumens is going to make massive rally by the end of November or December 2020. This is further confirmed when you look at the STR BTC, not the XLM BTC, but the STR BTC chart of Poloniex. We did similar stuff back in 2017, early 2017. Just look at this chart and you will see what I'm saying. I mean, we accumulated for a year or so, just like in 2017, from 2015 to 2017. And then we started making these little pumps. On the first pump, we were immediately rejected by this red Ichimoku cloud, and then we again accumulated. We lost all the games. People thought, hey, this is another suckers rally. It was not a suckers rally, but see what happened. We made a bottom here, and then boom. I mean, how much is this? This is nearly let me see, if you bought around here and you sold around here, I mean, 2600% pump. This is insane. So such pumps are pretty insane. I mean, you only had to hold for less than 3 months to get all these gains. And most of the people have given up, not only on Stellar Lumens but also on other altcoins like Dash and Litecoin. Just keep in mind that the money first flows into major altcoins, the big caps, and then to the mid caps, and then to the shit caps, I would say. So these boring coins from 2017, the ones which are still surviving, they are the ones that are going to pump first. So something like Dash, Ripple, and Stellar Lumens, as much as you hate them, they are going to pump first. So yeah. So that is why I hope I have answered why the coins are not pumping. I think it's the bottom is pretty near now. The monthly resistance are generally very hard to surpass, at least in one go. So I think 67.24%, whatever. I think it is 64.4. Yeah, that was the top. I'll keep an eye on this. If we have a monthly close above 67.4, I'll be super cautious, because it will mean that more blood is coming for the altcoins, but I don't think that is going to happen. The monthly shows that we are near the top, or it was that we have already touched the top. The weekly RSI shows that we are in the overbought territory. I mean, Bitcoin has pumped continuously since September 28th, and that is why I think the top is in now. So I'm marking the top on 16th November 2020, and now very soon the money will start flowing into altcoins. Just keep in mind that when the Bitcoin drops in price, the altcoins will also drop in USD, and for a couple of weeks or so we may see a massive bloodbath. But then the money, instead of flowing again into Bitcoin, they'll start flowing into altcoins, and the whales will start pumping the altcoins, because Bitcoin is already topped on the weekly chart. So yeah, the money will start flowing into altcoins now. So keep an eye on these boring cryptocurrencies like Dash, Ripple, Ethereum, Stellar Lumens, Cardano, coins, the boring altcoins. So that's all about it. Hope you found this video useful. Stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency IC news and price analysis, and give this video a like. That's all I want from you guys. Bye bye.